Hello, this is Jake McCarthy, and this is my assignment number 3 for IST 261. As you can see here, this is my assignment. I did this all on VS Code, as you can see. To start, I will run this code to show that it works. So when I run it, I get the chatbot screen, which I will enter what is the weather. It will then ask me what my location is. So I will say State College, for example, and it will tell me in State College it is sunny and 55 degrees. So that's that. To start going through my code, I will go start at the chatbot class, and during task 1, where we implemented the isUserIntent method in the language understander. So I will show you that. So in the language understander, I have added this code here with a couple if statements, basically saying if the intent equals will rain, these few keywords will be shown in the user's input. So this method will take the user's input and the intent name, and if they match, it will figure out the user's intent. So the same for this one. If they use the word weather, then the weather forecast intent will be used, and if none of these, it will return as false. So then the next part of the assignment was making sure that was about location, so making sure that the chatbot could reach different locations. So I changed the will rain and the weather forecast classes, and you can see in the weather forecast class we have New York, Los Angeles, Chicago, Houston, Philadelphia, and State College. I chose these cities because they are the 5 most populated cities plus State College. They're all pretty simple. The only thing is for Los Angeles, if you put LA, it will also work. And then the same kind of thing is implemented in the will rain class. So you can see the same cities are listed here, and they will be added to this hash table, and the location will be stored. So moving on, task number 3 takes the latest user intent in the response generator. So I'll go to the response generator, and you can see the response is modified. So if the user puts in the location and the intent, the chatbot will respond with, in this location, it is sunny and 55 degrees. If the location is not put in, it will return, what is your location? And if none of those are returned correctly, it will ask if you can try again, please. The same thing is there for the will rain class. Will rain intent. So if the will rain intent comes up, it will ask you where it is, and it'll say it will rain within the next 30 minutes. So I'll go through a couple different examples. When I run this, if I say will it rain, it will then ask what my location is. I'll say LA, and it'll say in Los Angeles it will rain within the next 30 minutes. So you can see that works out. I'll give you another example. If I say, is it going to rain in State College today? It's going to tell me in State College it will rain within the next 30 minutes. So that's pretty cool. That all works. And then you can kind of see how it's all put together through starting with the main class. As I showed you, the will rain class, the weather forecast and the will rain kind of go together. The abstract class, which I didn't really have to do anything with, as well as the dialogue manager, didn't really do anything with. But as you can see, it runs and each instance is possible to get. The graphical user interface is still the same. But yeah, this is my project, and thank you.